Welcome to 2K TV. Who's ready for the NBA season to tip off?
Well, I know I am. I got my Lakers gear ready, and I think you'd look good in some purple and yellow, Alexis.
How did I know that you were gonna say something about the Lakers?
Well, whatever gear you're putting on, we're excited to see all the teams and players this season. And to celebrate, we're starting off with some 2K TV Interactive, brought to you by Kia.
When the season
We've got two conference rivals squaring off to... Grant, I'm sure both teams have been eagerly looking forward to this one. Well, substitution going with a whole new group out there. So, on the floor for the Clippers, Jackson and Kennard, the guards. Robert Covington is out there with Nicholas Batum. And it's Morris in at the center position. And talking about MP, what a college career he had. Just fantastic in school, a star on many levels.
MP playing 3 years before coming to the NBA. That is rare these days, but I think it was great for his overall development. Of course, it helps winning a title in school.
Clock is at 3. Here's Morris. Rebounded by LeBron.
Well, that's a good player missing from point-blank range. That's one you got to convert.
Here's Hall. He's in his comfort zone. 2 for 2 to start this one.
And they're behind right now because they're failing to play quality defense. It's that simple.
Yeah, you've got to turn up the dial on the intensity at the defensive end if you're them. I mean, it's still early, but I agree with you.
Batum outside, and they call an illegal screen here. And in international soccer, we see the worst teams relegated to a lower tier. Clark, you think the NBA needs more consequences for losing?
You know, I don't think there are more needed, Brian, when you consider the fact that flattening the lottery odds was a step in the right direction recently. And then you think about the play-in tournament as well. I think that, too, adds a level of disincentive for losing. So right now, I think the NBA is in a pretty good place in terms of dissuading teams from losing.
Kennard can't get it to go. The Lakers with the ball. It's a 13-point game. To the paint. Here's Toscano. And it's good. Fought through contact. Hit the shot. And will go to the line.
Defensive foul.
And a moment here to take a look at the scoring breakdown for the Lakers.
Well, great play down low. I mean, you expect the defense to adjust, collapse maybe, but that should open up things on the perimeter later in the game.
And, you know, another thing that's been working for them tonight, scoring off turnovers, points off miscues. They've been converting any mistakes at the other end.
Timeout called. The Clippers. The 2021-22 season felt like a lost one for the Clippers. Kawhi and Paul George both hurt.
So true. I mean, but B.A., those two together, healthy, are scary. A finals-level duo. It kind of shows you how you can plan, build an awesome roster, but injuries can derail it all.
Here's Morris. Well, he hasn't put up any points yet in this one. Walker against Kennard. 5 to shoot. Here's Jackson. That one off the back iron and out. And here's MP from outside. It's rebounded by Morris. They're having very little success right now.
And they really could take a different approach, right? Find something that works.
Batum's shot is off. And the Lakers with possession here. 16-point lead. Fresh off a win against the Warriors.
Sometimes it's difficult to get good looks on the road, but they ran the offense brilliantly.
And it was funny, the road arena didn't bother them at all. I mean, they locked in, focused, and executed, and got it done.
They've been having major problems offensively.
Definitely in a bit of a dry spell.
Batum's shot is off. MP outside. Rebound by the Clippers. Batum outside.
2 minutes.
Jackson for 3. No luck on that one. And the Lakers going the other way now. Now here's MP. Coming off an unbelievable high-scoring game. And so he draws the foul, heading to the line to shoot a pair. It's going to go on Reggie Jackson.
You have to admire MP's obvious love for the game. This guy just wants to get out there and play hard. And his attitude helps inspire others as well.
Both shots good from the strike.
And we've heard LeBron James say he's obsessed with win or bust. And this Lakers franchise certainly has that same approach. But aside from their 2020 title, there's been a lot of frustration. Now, can he and the Lakers get back where they expect to be?
And the Clippers call time here.
Protecting the rim has to be their top objective right now.
Yeah, you know, just look at the numbers, guys. I mean, they are being taken to the woodshed in the paint.
Jackson against MP. Jackson, the pass to Batum. Kennard outside. Shoots over Walker. Nice shot by Kennard.
Well, I'm not sure how that one found the bottom of the net, but hey, you take it when it comes.
Jackson against MP. Laid it in with a nice touch off the window. MP's got 15 points.
The big story thus far, how well they've shot the rock.
Very high percentage so far, and if you want to start a game hot, that's the way to do it.
And that streaking rack attack is the Mobile One drive.
I love it, making their own luck. You don't want to let off the gas with the lead. Continue to make things happen.
Back to MP. To the middle. Here's James. Good, and the assist goes to MP.
We've seen that more than once today. An effortless basket inside.
Well, listless and lifeless at the defensive end. I mean, especially inside. They've really got to pick up that interior defense.
Here's Morris. James with the rebound. James has got 4 rebounds now. Here's Hall. Again, the Lakers.
They've shown so much energy right from the start, particularly on the offensive end.
Tell you what, forget about easing into the game. They came out with guns blazing.
Shot and game clock separated by 5. Pass to Covington. Rebound, the Lakers. James has got 5 rebounds tonight.
The way they've gotten after rebounds has been impressive.
Yeah, sensational is a really good word for it. They're tearing it up on the glass.
Building a big advantage early with a terrific all-around performance.
Yeah, you know, they've had the advantage at both ends. They've got all the momentum early on.
And they've won the battle on the board so far, and the scoreboard reflects that.
For the effort level they've had has been outstanding. Hard to keep a team down when they play with that much energy.
And so it's MP making things happen. Great to have you with us. Second quarter of basketball. This game has not exactly been neck and neck, but plenty of time left in this one. Guys, the Lakers enjoying a nice lead here.
Great offensive energy in that period. They're clearly on a mission.
Yeah, I agree. That was a flawless offensive performance so far. I mean, the shots have been falling. They're making good decisions. That's a nice recipe there.
Davis out there with Thomas Bryant. Then it's MP, then it's Patrick Beverly, and it's Reeves in at the 3. That's who's in the game for the Lakers. Ooh, a clear look for Powell, and it's in after a nice bounce off the right iron.
Well, that's an easy pass for John Wall to make. As soon as he spots his teammate wide open, he's dropping that dime on time and on target.
And that one drops for him. Davis has got 10.
I mean, they've been relentless. Just keep getting shots at the rim.
Well, the defensive rotations have been a step slow, and it's really helped them get that ball inside time after time.
Wall, no good. The Lakers shooting 69%. I think they're even surprising themselves out there. And here's MP from outside. And another 3 for the Lakers.
This defense just can't stay connected to shooters.
On offense, here are the Clippers. Following this one, they hit the road to challenge the Kings at Golden One Center in Sacramento. That'll wrap up this short 2-game road trip. Powell for 3. Rebound, Anthony Davis.
And they're up considerably because of their efforts on the glass.
Yeah, rebounding has been a
The force.
Thank you, Brian. Well, Paul George has certainly endured his share of criticism in the past, but he said, quote, "I can't worry about that. It comes with the job. I am who I am. They can judge me on what they want. I'm going to go out there and hoop and give it everything I've got." And guys, he brings a lot to the table.
No question. He is elite, Allie. Thank you.
They're just taking what the defense gives them. And right now, that's the interior.
Well, once they recognized the advantage they had inside, it made a lot of sense just to continue to attack that area.
Going all in. That was the 2K drive. Well worth a second look.
You're toasting the defense and getting in close. They'll take possessions like that one all day.
The Lakers have gone a terrific 4 of 5 here in the second quarter. Davis against Morris. And here's MP from outside. And another three for the Lakers.
They are heating up, percolating here in the second quarter, letting it fly from distance.
Things just don't seem to be clicking for them offensively.
Yeah, they really need to find a way to get back on track.
Here's Wall. Oh, and Bryant with the block. MP outside. And the layup is good off the glass. MP's got 33.
And so far, this game has belonged to MP, getting to his spots and executing with ease.
George finds Wall. Leonard up top. Powell outside. Leonard left side. Outside Wall. And the ball out of play. Lakers will have it. And we have to take another look at that block.
They're determined to add to the lead, not with more offense, but with big-time defense.
Zubats, he's checked in for the Clippers. Pass to Hall. Leonard against Bryant. That one drops for him. Bryant's gotten his second bucket of the game.
They've been a little soft with their defense on the interior.
Yeah, and they're really getting pummeled on points in the paint here.
George passes to Powell. Here's Wall. Can they get it? And that one goes. 4 for 7 for him so far.
When the ball gets to Wall, he's going to be ready. The defense has to be ready, too, or he'll let it fly the second he touches it.
MP, the pass to Beverly. Back to MP. Pass to Bryant. MP against Wall. And MP gets it to go. On the assist by Bryant. MP's got 35 in the game. The Clippers have gone 3 for 7 here in the second quarter. George outside. Here's Powell. Takes a 13-footer. Rebounded by the Lakers. Bryant's got 4 rebounds in the game. Powell with a steal. George for 3. And Bryant pulls it down. Bryant's got 5 rebounds in the game. Pass to Hall. Oh, he tries a 3. And the Lakers hit again from deep.
Yeah, he's in his bag from beyond the arc right now. You see his confidence.
Yeah, I'd be confident, too. As a matter of fact, I mean, if you're stacking up threes the way he is, I mean, he's doing all his work from behind the arc.
George for 3. The Lakers with a rebound. And for Paul George, playing close to home on a title contending team, it's a tremendous opportunity, Greg.
And back with the Pacers, he twice made the Eastern Conference Finals, but without a doubt, this is the most talented team he's ever been a part of.
Wall, the pass to George. Here's Leonard. Pass to Powell. Six on the shot clock. Out to Leonard. Will it go? That shot missing. And the Lakers will go the other way with it. MP outside. Drains the triple. MP's got 41.
They're really dictating the tempo on both ends of the court. You love it.
And don't leave out the coaching staff here now. I mean, their game plan has been perfect.
Leonard passes to George. Wall against MP. Elbow shot on the way. Rebound, the Lakers. Davis has got 6 rebounds here tonight.
Yeah, just a little off his game this quarter. He's trying to work his way into a rhythm.
Here's Hall. And the layup is good after a nice lead pass. MP's got 43 points. The Clippers shooting only 29% in this one. Not great. Wall, the pass to Powell. Now George. Back to Powell. Inside. Here's Wall. Good D by MP.
He's lost his rhythm completely this quarter, but he's determined to stay after it.
Down low, Davis. And finished off by Davis.
There's that floor awareness on display. MP feeling the overcommitment and then whipping that pass to the open teammate.
Leonard outside. George passes to Powell. Now here's George. Drops in the 3.
PG's really refined his three-point shooting. He's an absolute laser now from distance, and that's a big part of his offense.
Back to MP. Soft touch off the glass. MP's got 45 points.
They've now had assists on each of their last 3 buckets.
And for the Clippers, they're shooting around 29% in quarter number 2. From 13, Davis for the rebound. Davis has got his 7th rebound here tonight. Oh, there's the alley. Alley-oop up top, hammer it home.
Oh, there's not a better target in all of the NBA than Davis for the alley-oop.
It's stolen by MP. It's good. MP's got 47 points.
And I say, hey, if it keeps working, go to it. Stay with it. I mean, until the defense responds and provides more resistance, keep making them pay.
George outside. Pass to Zubats. Powell right side. Great D that time from Beverly. And for the Lakers, they're shooting an out-of-this-world 77%. And Davis gets it to go on the assist by MP. MP's got 5 assists tonight.
Well, I tell you what, it's rare that you see a big man with offensive skills like Davis has. He is a talented, rare player.
George passes to Zubats. Wall against MP to halt the run. Nails it. And he's 1 for 5 with that one.
That may not be his first choice, but Kawhi's not going to pass it up if it's there for him. Good decision to take the quick jumper off the catch.
From deep, MP. And again for 3. Buries his 10th triple of the game.
Unbelievable, B.A. Unbelievable.
And for the Clippers, they're shooting a low 31%. Their offense is lacking. Wall, no good.
Nothing's going his way since the horn. I mean, looks like he used up all his makes in the last quarter.
From deep, MP. Good! Another from 3. Man, he's really launching them from outside the arc.
Man, so locked in, feeling confident in his three-point shot tonight.
Perhaps the biggest surprise in the league last year, the Lakers missing the playoffs. Before the season, lots of people had them winning it all.
And he's going to the line for 2. The official saw contact while he was going up.
That's his first personal foul.
And a disappointing 2021-22 season for the Lakers, Clark. What went wrong?
Well, they just couldn't stay healthy, B.A. And we know that's such a critical component when you're talking about trying to win it all. I mean, you got to be healthy. Injuries to LeBron and AD, they missed a combined 78 games. You're not winning anything when your top players don't play at least 80% of your game. You're not going to, it's not happening. That's almost a full season missed between those two guys. And so when you're older, sometimes the injury bugaboo can jump up and bite you.
And they want a second opinion on that call. The signal for the coach's challenge has been made.
People were worried that this would slow the action down. But with so many close calls in every game, the NBA was smart to adopt this challenge policy.
Another look. And they've made their decision. The call will stand.
And as much as it hurts to lose a challenge, I think Coach would challenge that call again if he could. He really disagreed with the foul, and he's still peeved. Yeah, back in the day when I was playing, the Clippers were always an easy win.
So it's the Los Angeles Lakers making this game a no contest. They poured it on early, and they've never let up. And they've effectively guarded Kawhi Leonard all night. Not an easy task by any means. And more NBA action on 2K Sports coming your way right after this. And with a big gap on the scoreboard, the second half begins with very different goals for the Clippers. Morris, he's checked in for Zubats. Batum comes in for Powell. And it's Jackson in for Wall. Outside Nunn. Pass to James. On the wing, MP. He got it again. Sensational!
And this game has his name written all over it.
He has been phenomenal. An offensive onslaught. The Clippers have gone 7 of 13 in the second half. On the floor for the Clippers, the two-way threats of George and Leonard are the wing pair. Marcus Morris out there with Nicholas Batum. And it's Jackson in at the point guard position. On the wing, MP, defended by Jackson, and it's Hall missing. And for the Clippers, they're shooting well here in the third, hitting 50% of their shots. Jackson, the pass to Batum. Yes! And a nice assist from Jackson. Batum's got his first basket.
Far from just a perimeter shooter, I like seeing Batum go to work in the painted area.
MP outside. From downtown, and yes, another basket. 60 points. This guy can't be stopped right now.
They've had no answer for him in this one.
None against Jackson. Leonard outside. Driving inside. And he was fouled while in the act of shooting, so he'll take 2 free throws.
That's his first.
And Kawhi Leonard, one of 3 perimeter players to win back-to-back Defensive Player of the Year awards. It's him, Sidney Moncrief, and a young Dennis Rodman.
The Clippers making a switch here. Kennard's checked in. MP, the pass to Nunn. MP with it. Pass to James. Uses the glass to finish the layup. James has got 7 points. And for his career, Kawhi Leonard has more steals than fouls, Greg.
You know, B.A., he and Jimmy Butler, I believe, the only 2 players to achieve that after a decade in the league. A pretty remarkable achievement.
Here's Jackson. James with the rebound.
No matter what he's tried, it hasn't worked. Unfortunately, the team is suffering from that.
And here's MP from connects again from distance.
And what a fireworks display he's shown us tonight. Just keeps hitting from deep.
Man, he's just exploded from deep tonight. That last make, tying him for second in most threes in a game. Kennard against Nunn. The kick out to Morris. Lets it go from deep. And Reeves pulls it down.
Look, I know he wanted to answer with a 3 of his own, but you gotta play smarter. Play your game, not theirs. Their offense has been unstoppable, just firing on all cylinders.
And, you know, the lead just keeps growing. I mean, this game is not going to get out of their grip. They're going to keep pulling away.
MP against Jackson. Kennard outside. Yes, and a nice assist from Jackson. He's got 5.
You know, they've got to make him earn those 3. You play off of him, and he's automatic from that distance.
From deep, MP. And again for 3.
There it is, a shot that puts him tied at the top of the record books.
And he just can't be denied from deep. Now he's tied for most threes in a single game. Amazing. Jackson finds Kennard. Up top, Batum. Pass to Jackson. The Lakers with a rebound. James has got 8 rebounds in the game. MP outside. Oh, trying his luck from deep. And it's the Clippers with the rebound.
2 minutes remaining in the third.
Leonard outside. Jackson on the wing. Off target with the 3.
They keep going back to the same person expecting a different result.
Good! Another from 3.
And that is a 3 that will put him in the record books.
Oh, an historic performance by an historic shooter. One of the best games anybody has ever had.
And the crowd letting him know they appreciate greatness.
He's been nothing less than great. 3-pointers at a historic level.
Well, it seems like every 3 he's throwing up is going in, guys. No stopping this guy once he gets going like this.
Walker, he's checked in for the Lakers. Schroeder comes in for none. And a switch here also for the Clippers. Covington's checked in. Jackson, the pass to Kennard. And here's Batum. Jackson outside. Pass to Covington. Just 5 on the clock. With the fadeaway. No good on the shot. And here are the Lakers. They're on an 18-7 run. MP with it. Tipped away. Kennard outside. Jackson outside. And he was camped in the lane there. He gets a 3-second call.
That's a costly error. Now let's see how they bounce back.
Well, you know what? Their wounds are self-inflicted. I mean, you've got to play much smarter than that.
From deep, MP. And good! There's another!
What a game from him. 72 points.
And he's been simply sensational throughout this one. And the foul called on MP. That'll be a second foul of the game.
That's his second personal foul. Second team foul.
Morris finds Batum. Now Kennard. Batum outside. Outside Covington. 3-pointer. And Toscano pulls it down. Fantastic ball movement for them tonight.
If things are definitely working offensively, a balanced attack is just so much harder to defend. Yeah, he just establishes position and stands firm. That's how you earn your rebound, with strong, solid technique.
Covington passes to Jackson. To the inside. And the jam by Covington.
And when you leave a man open, Batum finds him. Great feel for the game.
MP outside. Here's James. Cash. It's MP picking up the assist. MP's got assist number 7 tonight. And so it's the Los Angeles Lakers. And they're up an insane amount going into the break. And they've been shooting the lights out from the arc. All those threes have this poised for a blowout. We'll be right back. And a worthy candidate tonight as we take a look at our State Farm assist of the game.
And just a selfless decision from your 2-guard, showing his ability to get his teammates good looks.
Yeah, and as a 2-guard.
Substitution on the court. At the line for Los Angeles, Dennis Schroeder. At the line for 1.
Free throw good, Schroeder.
What really makes Schroeder special is the energy he plays with. I mean, it's contagious and infects the entire team. He's like a lightning bolt of energy when he hits the court.
So we see the Lakers.
I gotta show you something. Just watch this. Hey, what's MP stand for anyway? Sounds like a phone to me. Y'all got that MP29? That Nokia joint?
No. I think it stands for mostly pathetic.
No. Major poser.
Missed the point.
Musty pillow.
Yo, why is that so funny, though?
I think it's because she's an agent, and usually they're not funny. They're just suits. But this agent, she's very funny.
Oh, yeah.
They're supposed to be friends with everybody. You know what I mean? That's kind of their deal.
That is my deal. I'm either your friend or your worst enemy, and nothing in between.
You still salty Ricky Bennett didn't join your agency, Barbara?
Oh, come on now. I was just trying to help a brother out. It's not my fault that he doesn't understand the rules of the game.
Oh, Shep, I got a serious question for you.
What?
Why can't you be more of a leader like MP? Why are
on
you gonna
now.
be so gosh darn selfish all the time?
Man, anyone looking up to that bum now? Good luck leading a team when you buried on the bench.
That's good. But you know who I really feel sorry for? Like, honestly? His girl. All these NBA players. She stuck with that clown? I mean, realistically, man, he probably got a whole closet full of cardigans and pleated khakis, right?
She'll figure it out. Speaking of, yo, Mila, your boy's single. Hit me up if you ever want to see what it's like to be with a real man.
Oh, wow. I am not touching that one.
Yo, this episode is gonna do numbers, bro.
Was there ever any doubt?
Hey, Shep, any final words you want to say to MP? Before the camera dies, because we're making this fire content right now. Come on.
Yeah, for sure. I just want to say, your game's trash, your agent's trash, your girl's trash, and you're trash. Did I forget anything?
Girl, agent. I think you got that covered, buddy.
And the next time I see you, I'm going to tell you that to your face. Other than that, just wishing you many blessings, brother.
You know what? That's real classy. Why would he even mention me?
Because he's Shep? Does he need a reason?
Yeah, no, he does not. Clown.
Look, this means nothing. It's just some loudmouth being a loudmouth. But you do have that Top Takes Daily interview tomorrow, and they're absolutely going to want to ask about this, given how inflammatory it was. Like I said, it's no big deal. It is no big deal, but we are going to obviously need to strategize your response, okay? So meet me at the business hub after you finished up here, and we'll go over whatever it is we need to go over. Yeah?
Okay, yeah. I appreciate you, Ash. Always keep me in the loop, no matter how painful it is. Thank you.
It's literally what you pay me to do. But yeah. See you in a bit.
Great game tonight. You really had it working on the offensive end.
Oh man, my shots were falling tonight, mostly because my teammates were setting me up with some great looks. We always look for the open man, and tonight it was your boy.
Do you look at yourself as a go-to player on this team?
Man, we got a whole bunch of go-to players. It all depends on who's feeling it that night.
Right.
Again tonight, my shots were falling, man. So we try to take it, best shots regardless of who it is.
Mm-hmm. Thanks, man.
No doubt.
In my light, yeah. 눈더미 같이 쌓인 일들은 in my light, yeah. 난 얼마나 더 많이 또 일을 해, yeah. 사람들은 잊지 않을까 내 이름 세 글자를 덕분에 우린 하루 두 번의 아침 해를 버늘 다 집어쳐 오늘 밤 we party 난 다 밀었어 오랜만에 we mobbing 계획을 바꿀래 갑자기 내 새로운 노래가 rockin' on the speaker 사진 찍고 싶어 Yeah, just take a picture Yeah, feeling